Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 10 PC is stuck on the welcome screen. First, force shut down your PC by holding the power button until it turns off. Turn it back on and repeat this 2 to 3 times until you see the advanced startup screen. From here, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, Restart. When your PC restarts, press 4 to boot into safe mode. This often helps bypass the stuck screen. If the issue continues, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. This will repair corrupted system files that may be causing the stuck screen. And that's it. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.